Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm SUMEIRA SUFIYA. I'm so excited and super pumped that you guys are here. For today's look, I have created this anti-Valentine's Day makeup look. This look sort of is smoky and sultry, and at the same time it does not really speak Valentine's Day, or it doesn't really shout Valentine's Day. I particularly don't want to celebrate Valentine's Day simply because my Valentine is not with me. If you want to know how I created this anti-Valentine's Day look, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell. You literally need to smash that notification bell, or else how else are you going to know whether when I'm going to upload next, right? All jokes aside guys, hit that notification bell and please continue supporting me. It really helps the channel, it really helps me. So without any further ado, let's just jump with all your love into this tutorial. So I have applied concealer to my eyelids, which is basically I have used Tarte Shape Tape on my eyes in the color medium. That is what I use as my concealer as well, and I'll be using the same shade to conceal under my eyes. So I decided to go in with the eyes first, simply because I want the skin to be really clean and I just don't want any kind of fallout, so that is the reason I decided to do eyes first. I'm thinking of using this shade right here. First I'm going to just pack it on the eyes, not really sort of blending it out right now. So this shade right here, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, this one. This is going to be going on the corner of my eyes. I'm going to be using the same brush because I'm lazy. I'm not really worrying about the blending right now because we are going to do that once we lay down the colors and the intensity is just right there. So for blending this harsh line over here on my eye, I'm going to go in with the color Feels, which is this one from the Naked Cherry palette. And I'm taking this on the Morphe brush M506. Next I'm going to be taking M518, and on this I'm going to be picking up this shade right here, which is called Young Love. So fitting, right? Young Love. That is what I'm going to be using on my eyes. So basically I just want the undertone of it and the sparkles on this one. So just to put a little bit of glitter, I'm going to take Turn On. These names are just so fitting guys for this tutorial. Roughly placing that. Next I'm going to be taking a big blending brush, R37, and then I will just blend everything out. So for lower lash line I'm going to be using this brown shade right here and probably mixing with a little bit of purple. Let's see how that works. Who else make these faces guys? Clearly it's just not me, it's just the makeup face that you make, like going there like. Since we want to keep it towards the anti-Valentine's Day look, it just basically means that you want sort of to look good and at the same time just give that vibe. If in case your date does not turn out to be good, you can still enjoy the dinner, you can still enjoy the place you are in and rock this makeup and just feel beautiful about yourself, isn't it? So that is the reason I chose these colors. It's sort of soft yet bold, you know what I mean? It's clearly not speaking, you know, or shouting Valentine's Day, but it's just there, you know, just nice. I hope I'm making sense, or at least that sense is understandable by you guys. I don't know. So you guys, my camera just stopped recording for some reason, but I'll just let you know what I used under my eyes. So on that same brush, the M506, I took this shade right here and I blended this color just under my eye where I blended the brown color before that. If you have dark under eye circles, do not worry about that right now, because later on after we're done with the eyes, we're definitely going to hop on the skin with foundation, concealer and all of that good stuff. So don't worry about that, we can clean that up later. Boo! So for my foundation I used Nars Stromboli. Yes, in medium 3. There's a trick, and because my under eye, there are sort of few lines under my eyes which I cannot really help, but they will crease. There's just no denying, they just don't want to work with anything, any product. So what I do is, I'm going to leave a little space and then I'm going to apply. So basically you'll be normally blending your concealer like that with literally opening your eyes under eye skin. But with this technique, you don't have to do that. You just place your beauty blender and then just start blending. And you're not going to take this concealer sort of really up high. Just keep it there. The reason I took my eyeshadow a little lower, further lower, is because to cover those lines so that it looks seamless when I apply. And then whatever is left on the beauty blender, I'm going to take it on the center of my face, just like so. Powder, I'm going to be using the Perfect Setting Powder by Cover FX. For the application, I'm going to be using E41 brush by Morphe. This is the banana shade that I will be using with the brush E8. For contouring my face, I'm going to be using M530. So I'll mix these two shades right here and I'll apply that. Next up, I'm going to be taking this blush by Marc Jacobs in 506 Flesh and Fantasy on a Morphe M437 brush. So for highlighter, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow by Maybelline. This is an eyeshadow, guys, not a highlighter, but I'm going to be using this as my highlighter. I don't know the name because the sticker is, I think I tore it off. I'm going to be putting this in the description box. I'm going to be applying it with M510. So I'm going to be applying it over my nose, cupid's bow and the chin. Now to blend everything in place, I'm going to be using the same powder brush, E41 by Morphe, and just blend it all over with a very soft hand. So for my brows, I'm going to be using this brow pencil by NYX. It's in the color Espresso. I'm going to be tightlining my upper lash line with this Marc Jacobs kohl pencil in Blacker. And for my lower lash line, I'm going to be using Marc Jacobs liner in the color Fine Wine. Next, I'm going to be taking this mascara from Marc Jacobs and apply it on the lashes. I'm actually going to line my lips with the Urban Decay Glide On 24/7 Glide On pencil in shade 1993. And then I'm going to be filling in my lips with this Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. And then finishing it up with this gloss by Fenty Beauty in Gloss Bomb. I'm then going to be setting my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So this is the final look, you guys. I am super happy with how this look turned out. I wasn't really expecting that this would turn out to be the way it has turned out. Thank you so much for hanging around, you guys. It means the world to me, and I hope that you have an excellent Valentine's Day. Just show your love to your loved ones every time, like every single day. It means so much, and that is what love is all about. So thank you so much for hanging out, you guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.